All right, so Melissa still does remain a Category 4 hurricane with maximum sustained winds of 140 miles per hour, but it does appear that it is leveled off and intensifying temporarily. I do believe that's temporary. I still believe that this thing is going to reach Category 5 by the time it makes landfall in Jamaica. But that could be due to just environmental conditions that it ran into. Maybe something was unfavorable. It is still in a region of moderate shear. It could be starting to undergo an eyewall replacement cycle, although in the latest flight data did not indicate that there was an eyewall replacement cycle taking place. But that can happen anytime, and I think Melissa is due for an eyewall replacement cycle. And when that happens, so an eyewall replacement cycle, it's actually pretty cool, and I'm sure Melissa will go through it at some point before it reaches Jamaica. If it does, I will try to do a video on it when it's happening to explain to you guys what is going on, because it's very fascinating. It happens a lot in strong hurricanes. So you get an eyewall that forms around the inner eyewall, and it chokes out that inner eyewall, and then the new eyewall that formed on the outside becomes the new eyewall for the hurricane. And then when the eyewall replacement cycle occurs, it can temporarily weaken the hurricane, or it can level off and intensify. It just won't intensify, but it can slightly weaken, and then it can contract, and it can be even stronger than what it was before. Eyewall replacement cycles are very common in strong hurricanes, so I do believe that Melissa is due for an eyewall replacement cycle, and I'll let you guys know if that does occur, and I will try to make a video on it, explain to you guys what is going on, because that's very fascinating. But I will say that the most recent flight reconnaissance data does show a very tight inner core right here, and it does have maximum flight level winds of 122 knots, so that's about the same as earlier. So it still puts it around 140 miles per hour maximum sustained winds for the hurricane. So it's a strong Category 4 hurricane, and it's still on track to hit Jamaica and then Cuba. And I'll show you the track guidance here before I go. And every single one of our models right now has it hitting Jamaica directly and then Cuba right after. Again, I will make another video later explaining what impacts it's going to have on Cuba. But thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this brief update on Melissa as we watch this event unfold right before our eyes. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and have a great day, and stay tuned for later. Toodles.